In this video, I will tell you that what to do if WhatsApp calls are not showing up on your lock screen on Android phone. At first, go to setting on your Android phone, then scroll down a bit and tap on notification option. Now go to advanced settings, then turn on manage notification categories of each app option, and now go back home screen and locate WhatsApp icon on your home screen or app screen. Then long press the icon and then select the info icon from the resulting menu. Now tap on notification. In this menu, make sure the allow notification toggle is turned on. Additionally, you should enable all the notification alert types, that is lock screen, bash and pop up. After this, scroll down and tap on notification categories here. Scroll down and enable call notification toggle. You can also enable other notification toggles from this menu. After this, WhatsApp calls should appear on your Android phone.